Yo, hey guys, it's Bowtie Jake. I know it's been a while, but we finally got the whole kit wrapped up on the car. We got the laptop out today. We're going to do some data logging and get some more of the tune dialed in. We've only seen about 11 pounds of boost so far. We're just creeping up on the boost just a little bit, get it all dialed in. But I wanted to show you guys something Huron Speed sent me. The original kit came with a bullhorn, and the exit came down kind of low out of the bumper. I didn't quite like it, so I reached out to John, and of course, you know, he took care of me, and fast response, great customer service, and they fabbed me up something special in the shop, and I seen it yesterday and was flabbergasted, put it on the car, and I just figured I'd turn the camera around and show you guys, and then show you a little bit of the kit. I'll do an underneath view as well while the car's on the ground. That way you can see how low the crossover is on the ground. It's really not that bad compared to like if you had a full 3-inch exhaust out the back of the car. I've went over a couple railroad tracks and some crappy southern Illinois roads, and I haven't hit the ground or scraped anything thus far, so I wouldn't worry about that at all. All right. There she be in all the glory. But, oh my God, guys. Look at that. Look at this tip. Sexy. Oh my Lord. I love it. Comes straight out the hole. That's the old bullhorn. Bullhorn came down and out kind of thing. Wasn't too terribly happy with it. So they fabbed me up that. And I mean, guys, it's amazing. But here's a little under the car view. There's the crossover. It's not too terribly bad. It looks low, guys, but it's really not. It's about 4.5, almost 5 inches off the ground. If not just a little bit more. It was 4.5, I think. But yeah, no, thus far the kit's holding up great. Everything goes well, nice. The radiator's keeping the car cool. It's a good size. I know it seems kind of smaller to some of you guys compared to the OEM stuff, but I haven't had a problem with it. My fans come on at 185, and I mean the car, doing a couple test pulls at 10 pounds of boost so far, hasn't seen above 195. I don't have any fitment issues. Nothing's hitting anywhere, and everything's rolling pretty smoothly. And we'll try to keep you posted. But look at that thing. I mean, just the quality of craftsmanship that comes out of their fab shop. If you guys need anything special made, they also do custom work besides with the kits that they make. And I mean, I recommend it 100%. The welds look clean. The anodizing looks amazing. It's a nice titanium tip. That gold pops with the red really well. Have any questions? DM me, Bowtie Jake, TikTok, Instagram. I'll try to help you out, but I mean, the number one guy to get to is John at Huron Speed. He'll answer all your questions. He'll help you out 100%. It might take a little bit of back and forth sending parts out and crap like that, but you got to bear with him, and he'll get you straight. He did it for me. He'll do it for you. Peace out, guys. I'll get you an update on some pulls and stuff like that when we get the car more dialed in.